I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a sandal, but first I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akia, and I am the instructor and designer behind Iconic Trends. I will put in the description box what you would need for this sandal. I'm making a size 8, but I will put in the description box how you should go about making a different size. Now let's get started. Start off with a slip knot and chain 23. Now make 2 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. So that's 1 and 2. So make 2 single crochets into that chain. One single crochet into the next 11 stitches. Now put a half double crochet into the next 8 stitches. Now we are going to put 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. And in the last stitch, we will place 4 half double crochets. Now we are going to place 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. Now a half double crochet in the next 8 stitches. Now single crochet in the next 11 stitches. Two single crochets into the last, and then we're going to join. So 1, 2, and then slip stitch into the first single crochet. So slip stitch. So now we're on round 2, and we're going to chain in the same stitch. Make 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next. Single crochet in the next 14 stitches. So half double crochets into the next 8 stitches. 2 half double crochets in the next 4 stitches. 1 half double crochet in the next 8 stitches. So, single crochet into the next 13 stitches. And then the next 2, we're going to put 2 single crochets. And then we're going to join. Put a slip stitch and then chain 1. Then we're going to put 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And then we're going to put 2 more single crochets in the next 2 stitches. One single crochet into the next 14. So 1 half double crochet in the next 10 stitches. Two half double crochets into the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet into the next 4. 2 half double crochets into the next 2. 1 half double crochet into the next 10 stitches. 1 single crochet into the next 14 stitches. 2 single crochets into the last stitch. Chain 1. So we're on round 4. So half double crochet into that same chain. Turn. I'm going to put a half double crochet, 3 half double crochets into the next 3. Make 2 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. And half double crochet into the next 24 stitches. Now 2 half double crochets in the next 3. Now 1 half double crochet into the next 4. 2 half double crochets into the next 2. Half double crochet into the next 28. Then the last stitch, we're going to place 2 half double crochets. And now we're going to join. The slip stitch. Okay, so this is how it's looking, and then we're going to chain 1. And now we're going to put a single crochet into every stitch. So we're going to put a single crochet in that one because the chain 1 does not count as a stitch. I'm just going to go all the way around with a single crochet. So make 4 of them, and we are going to single crochet them together to join. So after you're done, put them together like these. Mine's just slightly different because I thought I used a 5mm hook, but must have used a 5.5mm hook for the first one, which I did like 2 weeks ago. So then we're going to put that in there and make a slip stitch. And then we're going to single crochet all the way around. So single crochet to join the ends together. So I'm basically at the end. If you want, you can add like stuffing, or you can add like cardboard. I'm gonna make another pattern for outside slides. These ones are going to be inside, so I am not going to do much to them, like put any cardboard or anything in it, but you can. So I'm just gonna finish this up, playing chicken with my yarn, slip stitch into that first single crochet. So, and chain, and then pull tight. So this is what it will look like. And this is what my finished one look like. You can also put more than just two bottoms together to make it thicker. Now that we're all done, please watch part 2 to finish it, to complete the strap for the sandal. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.